Hi, I am Mahi Masum and you are watching UGTV. And thank you very much to invite me. I'm delighted to hear talk about the project. This is the most significant project in Northwest, not only Northwest, all over the UK. So this project is instrumental by Shahzad Mirza, who is director of Urdu Global. I'm Mahi Masum. He recruited me as a coordinator, and Alhamdulillah, 170 days we are serving our community. We are feeding people. Those are haven't account. Those are very trouble. Those are haven't home. Those people are disabled. Those people are underprivileged. Those people are living with poverty. And we are grateful to Allah give the opportunity to serve these people and sharing our wealth, sharing our money,